Money Academy.
If you want to make money on YouTube, you have to download other people's video, then re-upload their videos on YouTube and make thousands and thousands of dollars every day. You'll find so many videos copyrights on YouTube like this. But wait, if you follow this strategy,
oh God, please no!
You can't make money from YouTube. If you do that, your channel get a copyright strike. So, what is the real way to make money on YouTube without even making videos? There is a legend method called the cash cow channel method. This method allows you to make money on YouTube without making videos and without worrying about copyrights. A cash cow YouTube channel is a YouTube channel where you can make money without showing your face. This business model is becoming popular day by day. Now I will show you how you can make your video yourself. You can go to this website like pixel.com to get completely free stock footage and picture to use without any issues. That you selected, bring a video about how to become rich. You can search rich right here on pixel.com, and once you do that, you can see a ton of different pictures according to your need to get completely free stock footage and picture to use within your video. For example, you were doing a video about how to become rich. You can search right here. Once you do that, you can see a ton of different pictures according to your research. And if you select a video, you can find a ton of free video used within your video. If you can't find any clips on pixel.com, I recommend looking at Pixabay. They have a lot more clips. And if you can't find your clips here, then I recommend going on a website called Storyblocks. But Storyblocks is not a free website. Stockblocks is monthly subscription based website, so it does cost money every single month, but they have many more stock video that you can use in your video. Now you might be asking how you actually edit your video to solve this problem. You can use completely free and open source video editor called OpenShot. Simply go to openshot.org to download this video editor for your Mac or for PC. But suppose you're doing this on a phone. In that case, I recommend getting an app called KineMaster or CapCut. After that, go to some popular YouTube channel in your niche and recreate their most popular video. For example, this channel here, Reinvesting channel. Here, go to their video tab and filter it by the most popular video. This will show you the video that are getting the most views. So you need to go to the channel and see if you could remake any of this video on your own. But remember, don't copy everything. Make sure you remake this video in your own way. For example, we wanted to remark this video right here. Now what you're going to do is you have to watch the video and take notes of what's and wrote it, then rewrite on your own way. And you can also simply use Google to do some research to include some additional value, and you have to write down a script that's about 1500 to 1800 words long, so that you can make an 8 to 10 minute long video. When you complete a script, you have to record a voiceover of the script, and you can do this using your phone if you don't have a microphone. And if you want to add any music to your video, you can get music from YouTube Studio Library, audio library of course, which is 100% free to use. Footage and music you need to edit the video. In this video, I don't go in deep in video editing. If you search on Google, you will find many tutorials on video editing. But if you don't even need to make the video yourself, you can get other people to make the video for you, which is the real YouTube automation system. You can find people to generate videos. You can hire people on fiverr.com. Fiverr is the world's largest marketplace for digital service where individual or company can find freelancer with a skill that suits their needs. It's considered a microtask site where you can do relatively quickly a small one-off task. Now the main thing is monetization. The question is how you actually make money from YouTube. The main monetization method is ads revenue. The ad revenue can be a great way to make money. If you want to put affiliate links in your description, go to the marketplace like digistore24.com or clickbanks.com. Here you will find so many different digital products that you can promote. Now I will show you some example channel so that you can pick the right niche. But before, don't forget to subscribe to the channel with the notification bell. And now let's get started. Niche number 1 is the pet niche. So if you like different types of pets, you can consider doing a channel in the pet niche. An excellent example. In this niche, animal wise, they have around 500k subscriber, and this channel get approximately 1 million views per month on their channel, and their monthly earning is between $380 to $6,000. Niche number 2 is the motivation niche, and I have a video on description that will know how to make such a video. An example channel is called Motivational Instinct. They have over 2500k subscriber and get over 1 million views a month on their channel. They use a free stock footage in their videos background, and they are making approximately between $48 to $700 per month. Niche number 3 is the gadget niche. If you like discussing different gadgets, this could be an excellent niche. In this channel is called Future Tech. This channel makes video about gadgets that people can buy. They have over 600 subscribers, making approximately between $100 to $1,000 per month. Niche number 4 is the quiz niche. Actually, this type of niche or this type of video has a huge demand in video format on YouTube. People make video talking about this different quiz by asking questions. This is the channel Mr. Test. They have over 100k subscribers. They are getting around 100k views per month. According to Social Grade, their estimated monthly earning is $100 to $1,000 per month. Niche number 5 is the tutorial niche. Now, if you like computer and technology and everything like that, you can potentially get a lot of views doing this. This channel is called Tech Bimbo. They have over 1 million subscribers and they are getting over 2 million views per month. They do video about different software, how to use it, and that type of stuff. They never show their face. They only do video by recording their screen, and they're talking and giving guides on different software. According to Social Blade, their estimated monthly earning is $500 to $9,500 per month. I think this is enough to start. That is for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, click like button with the notification bell if you don't want to miss our upcoming video.